I've created these greeting cards. I'm going to show you how I'm going to change this text or greetings without actually typing or this text on your own. There is tools you can use to rewrite this sentence. Okay, let me show you how. Of course, you need to click on this text, select this whole text. Now you go to this toolbar here. You can see here toolbar. There is a button called Rewrite. Now what you do is you select the text and click this button Rewrite. It will automatically rewrite the text for you. All right, I'll try now. So it changes here. Wishing you a festive holiday season and a successful new year. Now, as soon as this text change after you click this rewrite button, there will be a new idea or new design on this right panel here. Now, if you think any of this design is actually you think you like any of the design, you can actually select and redesign again. Now, can you see here? This design is what I've done here. In fact, I can actually choose this to replace a static page where I can use these greetings as a video. If you can see a video sign here. Now, if I hover over here, you can see the effect of the video. But today, I'm not going to show you this. But the purpose of this video, there is another feature that I want to show it to you besides this rewrite feature. Now, if you go to text again, click on this text. If you see the button Inspire Me, you can actually change some of the feature of this text. Now, let me try and show you. Yeah. So I'm going to click this button. It's actually redesign your feature or automatically pick any of the text font over here. I'm going to try again. Okay. Now, if you think any of the design after you selected this Inspire Me, of course, you go ahead and download these greeting cards. This design is the size is 1080 pixel by 1920 pixel. It's actually suitable for mobile phone sharing. It's up to you if you want to print out. Now, I think that's about it. I'm going to change this one more time to see if I have anything that come up from this Inspire Me button. All right. Okay, it seems that I don't like this. I can just select over here and go back to the original text or any of this. So I'm going to choose this again. Okay, this is what I want. Okay, thank you so much. This today video is to show you the feature of these Microsoft design tools. The rewrite button here to write the sentence where you don't have to rewrite on your own, and to select this Inspire Me button so it change the font and the feature of the text. Okay, thank you. Hope you like what I've shared and put it to use. All right. Thank you so much.